Hello everybody, today we are here in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today is September 2nd, 2023. We are here in Battle Creek, like I said, in Calhoun County. We're at the top of the Hamblin Avenue parking garage, and we have a Thunderbolt Siren on top of that building over there. So we're gonna get this on video as it goes off for the first Saturday of the month. Tornado siren test. It's currently 12:54 p.m. so still got a few minutes to go until it goes off. Let's get set up and let's get this siren test on video. Here we go. Alright, and that's going to do it for the September 2nd, 2023 tornado siren test. We're here, like I said, in the west side of Michigan for once, in Calhoun County. We're in downtown Battle Creek is where we are. Let you guys take a look. Here's downtown Battle Creek. We're at the top of the Hamblin Avenue parking garage. And there you guys got to hear the tornado siren on top of that tall building. I forgot the name of the building. There it is right there. It's a Thunderbolt. Beautiful siren. Beautiful sound to it as well. Very nice. So anyway, with that being said, here's one last look at downtown Battle Creek. I hope you guys enjoyed the video also on my camcorder as opposed to my iPhone 13. That will be it for now from Battle Creek, Michigan. See you guys in the next test.